Hello guys, today our topic is how we can rename the mailbox, because as you know, after install the mailbox, after when you have configured the first default mailbox, it's having some alternate regular name. So how we can rename that, and after that how we can move this mailbox to other additional drive, because the purpose of this video in that case to save the C drive, because in production mailbox servers, as you know, if you configure the mailbox on C drive, it can reduce the space and later on it can create the disk crunch. So today's video, after you watch this, you will can easily move your mailbox to another additional drive. Let's go to my Exchange console. So I'm logging my Exchange server. Got it. So what I need to do, this is the setup file, so I'm going to delete this as it is not required. So here I am just creating, I need two additional drive, and one for this mailbox CDB database, another drive is for logs. Okay, so for that only let's create one additional drive here. And the drive size is 30 GB, and the store files on a single files, I'll make it 40. Okay, we'll go to the disk management, disk mgmt.msc. Okay, so one byte drive is already ready. So I'm doing another drive. So I'll make it online and then initialize disk. Okay, then make it new, finish. Perfect. Now let's what I need to do, I'll just make it close, and then yes, I'll just make it this is for the DB, and this is for, and this is for these logs. Okay, perfect. Okay, fine, no problems. Let's open my Exchange mailbox, see who I am. Let's go to CMD. So I'm logging to Exchange Admin Center by using my domain names. This ID I'm using, and it is having a enterprise access. So this is my Exchange admin. So after you configure the Exchange 2019, the default mailbox was created. So I am showing you that practicals, how I can move to another drive. Okay, perfect. So my Exchange console is opened. Now what I need to do, see, I have to go server, then I'll go to database. Now as you can see, this is a random name is showing some random name. Okay, yeah. So that I need to make it for EA admin. I'll make it some with a name person, because every organization people will join an organization. Somewhere their AD will be based on this employee ID. Sometime the will be with their name, and mailbox also with the same ID as AD used. So that it can be, later on it cannot be confused and cannot be deleted wrong mistakenly. So I will change the DB name. So for that only I'll select it and I'll go to edit options. After that I will just change the name from here, EA admin. Okay, now I just name has been changed. Got my point? Name has been changed, but the path, you can see the database path which is on this is the path where the still showing with this name. So first primary things, once it changed the name from here, it is name it's showing here in Exchange, but path will be remain in the same things. Okay, so what I need to do, I will copy the entire mailboxes from here to my another drive, and then I will make it rename. Okay, so let's click on save. Now you can see the name it's showing as EA admin name. Okay, so if again I'm just showing you the edit path, and I'm just, my intention is to copy the database path, not EDB. Okay, before EDB. So let's, to show you, yeah, yes, this is the path where my EDB as well as log files are there. Clear? So let's now, doing this operations, we need one most important thing, that is Exchange Management Console. So without this Exchange Management Console, I won't be do this migration, drive migration. Okay, so here I'll go to Exchange Management cells. So it will take some time to load all these CMD lates and all this command. So we have to wait for this time. So it is now connecting Bhargav's, all those stuffs, my domain, and we have to spare the time till it is ready. Yes. Now what I need to do, as it is pointing to see Windows System 32. So here we will put one command which is get hyphen mailbox database. Then I will use one pipe, okay, then forward list FL, okay, space name, comma, EDB file path and log folder path. Yes, see that it's C drive, it is showing the same path, and the log folder path also the same. Now see guys, I am telling you one thing, before doing this migration, remember that through online you cannot do these changes. Got my point? Through online you cannot do these changes. So for that only you have to dismount your current mailbox. Okay, to perform this dismount, okay, so what you need to do, you have to do the mailbox dismount. So here what I need to do, I'll put dismount database hyphen identity EAA admin, okay, which is here. Once I done this, the database will be unmounted, okay, and for the time being user will not be able to use his mailbox. So you have to do this in case you are doing this. So remember, you have to do this after your business hours, okay. So I have to do this, then I'll press Y. Okay. Now what I need to do, I will move database path, okay, to my this drive. Remember, I have two drives. One is DB, another one is logs. So I am creating one for this EA admin. So this E drive could be a storage, storage drive. Okay. So copy, EA admin logs. So don't avoid any space in middle of there. Yes. So one is EA admin, another one is EA admin logs. Okay. Very good. So now what I need to do, I'll just go to the management cells. Again, I have to go to the management cells. Then I will use the command move. I will use the command move. Move hyphen database path space identity space EA admin. Okay. Now again what I need to going to do, EDB file path, and where is my file path? My file path is I'll make it EA admin dot EDB. Clear? And then again log folder path clear. Now let's do that. So it will are you sure want to perform this operation? Then I say yes. So this perform has been done. Okay. So after that, once it is done, okay, what I need to do again I'll do mount instead of dismount. I will do mount database. Okay. Once done, then I will run the first command, get mailbox database again. Now I will show you all has been successfully moved to the concerned drive. Okay. So let's go to open and see. Let's do the refresh. If you go to the edit, you will see server, edit, database, edit. Yeah, it is on E drive. Clear? Now let's after that, what you need to do, you have to check the drive it's working or not. So for that only I have to go the drive and I will check my drive it's working. So for your information, these two additional drive can be a direct storage address drive dash. It might be a dash, might be a different VM data store which related to direct storage, so that you have a huge database or huge space you can use. So let's what I need to do, I will just open the mailbox. Let's see the mailbox is working or not. So if you want to open the mailbox, then you have to go localhost and /OWA Outlook Web Access. So as it is certificates is not installed, that's why you are getting this error. Once I deploy the certificate, it will smoothly open. Okay. Okay, perfect. So my mailbox is open perfectly. Now let's start one test mail to my own mail ID. Okay. Yeah. Exchange admin, admin. Okay. I'm sending on test mail. Test one. Hi. Let's see the mail will receive or not. As I can see, yes, the mail was already moved from the outbox. But how much time it will take to reach? Because I hopefully mailbox, if the mailbox is opening, then definitely mail will works. But yeah, it takes normally time to reach. I can see that my mails is coming. Okay guys, so this video only, that's all. Thank you, thanks for watching. Goodbye.